Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this really easy ponytail updo. First of all, you want to divide the hair in half straight down the middle and clip one side out of the way until later. Moving on to the side that you've left down, all you're going to do is create 3 equal ponytails using clear elastic bands. Gently pull on those top sections so it doesn't lay flat on the head and it just creates a bit more volume. Then all you're going to do is simply repeat the same 3 ponytails on the opposite side. Next, take another elastic band and wrap it around the base of the ponytail. As you pull the ponytail through, on the last twist of that elastic band, don't pull it all the way through. Leave a couple of inches of ends hanging out so you've created a little loop, and then just repeat that on all 6 ponytails. Okay, so now you've got all 6 ponytails in their loops. Start off with the top 2 ponytails. So on the right hand side, open up that loop and pass your hand through it, and then grab the loop on the left hand side and pull it all the way through, so you're basically crisscrossing it over. Then just secure with a few bobby pins on either side and repeat the same steps down the head. Okay, so now that we've pinned down all of those 6 ponytails, if you've got any bits sticking out from those ends, just wrap them round a bobby pin and tuck them underneath. Next, to make it a bit more voluminous, we're going to pinch and pull at different sections of those loops, just so it doesn't lay so flat to the head. So here's the finished style. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.